Hi guys, I'm Liz.
And I'm Jorge.
And welcome to our channel.
Hi guys, so it is Tuesday, January 16th. It's like 9:30, almost 10. It's like between 9:30 and 10 in the morning, and I just got up with baby girl. I did a little better than yesterday, because yesterday I woke up at like 11 or noon or something like that. I feel like a little bit better, but I'm still feeling sick. Like, I'm like coughing up stuff out of my throat, so I'm gonna try to drink a lot of water today. Of course I have to have Red Bull though, also with that. And I'm about to do these I'm about to wash baby girl's bottles, and baby girl is right behind me in the bassinet. She's being a good little girl. She's not crying right now, so I'm gonna try to get this done. Yeah. Jorge went to go, his friend needed his help with something, so he went to go help his friend. The girls are at school. Bubba doesn't have school today for some reason, I'm not sure, but of course none of them had school yesterday because it was Martin Luther King Day. But Bubba doesn't have school today. I shouldn't have said anything about her not crying, because I think I just jinxed it. Baby girl, what's the matter? What is the matter? Here. What that was? It was like a rumbling. That was weird. So Jorge's helping out one of his friends right now, and what else was I gonna say? I know I was gonna say something else. Oh yeah, we're gonna be getting rid of some of that stuff today, I believe. So yeah, I'm just trying to stay positive. I got a couple things on my list I gotta do today. I gotta go to Walmart. So when he is on live, guys, with you guys today, I'm probably going to be at Walmart getting some stuff for dinner tonight, getting a couple groceries, and I got to return a pair of pants that Mariah had got because they don't fit her. So I'm going to get something else for her. If they don't have a different size, I'm going to get something else. So yeah. The goal is to get as much done today as possible. Look at this little bundle. Look at this little bundle right here. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. My name is Amora, and I love mommy so much. I don't like getting put down. Look how big she's getting, guys. That's crazy. Oh, God. Whew. So guys, she gets mostly breast milk. Very rarely does she get formula. So I think that's how she's growing so big. And yeah, I keep it like in these bags. I pump and then I put it in the bags and put it in the fridge because it makes it, hopefully that's not too much in there. Sometimes if you put too much, the bottle doesn't work right. So actually, because these bottles have like vents on them, so I'm not gonna put all that in. The bottle has like a vent built in, and if you put in too much milk, it does not work right. Let me come over here to the bottle warmer. Oh my gosh. Oh my. As you can see, she loves being held. She was being quiet there for a little bit. I was like, wow, she's being pretty quiet for being laying there by herself. Aren't you? But then you're like, nope, just kidding. Pick me up. Just kidding, pick me up. Look at this girl. Look how wide her eyes are open. Just looking around. Oh, baby. She's going to be almost a month old, which is crazy. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. So kind of just, I let it cool for just a second. All right, it's okay to touch now. All right. I need to clean that thing out later too, because it's got like yuckies in it a little bit. As you can see, I did not even brush my hair yet. This is how I woke up. Hold on, Baba. So guys, I just left Walmart and I tried calling Jorge, but I don't know, there's something wrong with my like service or something, probably because of the snow. I couldn't get a hold of him, but it let me text him, and all he said was just pull over and I'm gonna come pick you up. So that's what I'm doing. I pulled over at this country fair, and as you can see, it's blizzard out. That's the airport right over there, the Erie airport. But as you can see, you cannot see very far. Like, it's pretty bad. I would have been okay driving home probably, but he insisted that I pull over. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got. I got this tripod that, like, these things are flexible and you can wrap them around stuff, because I thought that would be cool. Because there's been times where I wanted to like put it on like the shopping cart or the stroller or something, and with the other tripod it's hard to do because it just sits there. So I thought that this was pretty cool, because I want to show you guys a lot more of, you know, what I do during the day and stuff. So I got this, and yeah, I'm about to put it to use hopefully sometime today. So right now I'm just sitting here, you know, waiting for Jorge. Baby girl's right there in the back. I got some food and stuff. I got that container right there to put cat food in. So yeah, my husband came and got me, came and rescued me. Now I'm in the back seat with Bubba over here. Bubba's got a new jacket on. How do you feel, Bubba? Is that better? Better? Bubba, it's not breakfast anymore. I'll get you one tomorrow. Eat something else. So as you guys can see, it's very snowy out here. It's kind of hard to drive. Oh my God. There we go. Is that better? Amora was a hungry, hungry girl. She was a hungry, hungry girl, huh? So, we just got back from Walmart not too long ago. Me and Amora went. Daddy had to come pick us up because the weather got way too bad. Now he's out there shoveling snow because we have a ton of snow. So yeah, pretty soon we're gonna have to go pick up the girls. Today went by so quick. Like, the days are going by really quick. Girl, you're being messy. You're being messy. What is going on here? I just put a new outfit on her. It's really cute. I got it from Target. I'll show it to you momentarily after I feed her. It's really cute. It came with like a little furry jacket, which I didn't put on her because we're inside right now. But if we leave again today, which I kind of doubt we're gonna, I'll put it on her. The girls have gymnastics today, which if it continues like this, I probably won't take them to gymnastics. I don't know, but we'll just play it by ear, honestly. Yeah, so that's what's going on. And you're just a messy girl today.
I love you every second of the day. I love you. I love you. I love you every second of the day. I love you. I love you. I love you every day. I love you. I love you. I love you every day. I love you. I love you. I love you every day.
So guys, we're on our way to gymnastics. It stopped snowing, but yeah, it's freezing outside. And I just got the message that the no school tomorrow because they already canceled school for tomorrow for the kids because it's supposed to be like very cold.
Show them outside. Show them outside.
That's what it looks like outside.
Well, that's a nice ass tripod.
And yeah, Jorge is jealous of my new tripod.
Yeah, because she's using my tripod.
No, I'm not. This is mine.
No, it's not. It's mine.
And I'm not getting you the same one because magically mine always goes missing. Even though ours look exactly the same. How do you know it's mine? So I bought myself a new one. Hi guys, so we're at Walmart. I'm trying out my new tripod. Me and my gorgeous husband are in Walmart.
Gorgeous.
And Bubba's right here. And Amora's in the cart. The girls are at gymnastics. And we're just going to pick up a few items. Yes, I know I was already at Walmart today, but we go to Walmart a lot, so it is what it is. So guys, I just got a couple shelves that I'm going to be organizing my stuff on my desk. And I just found Jorge. Oh, what are you doing?
Nothing. Hey, so
What? Hi guys, so yep, we just got back from gymnastics
And I don't have school tomorrow.
just ate some food, and everybody's taking a shower and a bath and getting ready to go to bed.
And this is Amora, baby.
Here's the Amora baby girl.
Hi guys, I'm Amora.
So yeah, hopefully we all have a peaceful night.
And
And
I don't have school tomorrow, and I'm happy because I think we're gonna go somewhere to the store, I think. And I want to be at the store with Mom. And look at Amora, we besties. We holding hands.
so thank you for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.